room. Okay. Bye, guys. Ooh, okay. She's been traveling all day. Sounds like Stranger Things in here. Oh. We do have light. What is this? Oh, okay, fellow closet. Dang, this is not bad. Okay, where's the lights in here? I'll just open it up. She's got a view. Okay. This is not bad. Man, I wish I could go swimming. All right, it's kind of giving me New York vibes. I'm kind of here for it. I like it. So I'm just gonna unpack like all of my stuff, and then I think I'm gonna go get food. It's 12:30 here, so it's 11:30 my time, but I kind of want to go explore. It looks like there's like a cool little like streets and stuff down below. There's a pool and people are swimming in it like across this, I don't know what it is, but there's like some black building and some tall buildings. So I'm trying to debate. I probably will change because it's also 85 degrees and humid, but this pool, I gotta figure out what this pool across the, not like I'm gonna go in there, but, and they said it's safe to walk around as long as it's like not 9 to 10 o'clock at night. So it's 12:30, so perfect. Let's go do it. All the essentials. Take this thing everywhere. Take it to New York, take it to Orlando, take it to Hawaii, California, wherever. Just, and then bam, you got it all. Everything you could ever need. And it just hangs on the back of the door. Or right here, the towel goes. Got all the good stuff there. Got my little makeup bag. Not like I wear a ton of makeup anyway. All the essentials for a good recovery. Yay, my retinol cream. We're good, we're good, we're good, guys. Got my scar tape so that I can continue the healing journey. Vaseline. Oh, look at this. I had to bring scissors, so I put them in my, made a little makeshift sheath for my scissors. Also, I just saw this. That is the giant eyeball. And there's a pool across the way. Looks like a bunch of old people swimming. I don't know what to do with myself when I am by myself. I don't know where to go. I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should get coffee. I don't know if I should get food. Do I eat? Do I wait? What do I do? It kind of smells like urine. I don't know. It does give me a little bit of New York vibes.
It's not New York, but
you know, wannabe. Went to this place called Bread Zeppelin. Bread Zeppelin. Oh, Bread Zeppelin, like Led Zeppelin, but Bread Zeppelin. I got this like Greek salad. Bread Zeppelin. Okay, dear. Pouring rain. I was gonna walk to my next place, but it's pouring. It's like a thunderstorm out there. Are we rolling? Yeah, we are. Okay, so there's like 2 old guys and then like a kid and then like 2 like teenage looking girls in this pool. I just don't, it's really freaking me out and I really don't know how I feel about it. I feel like this is a great view, but I just don't, I don't know that it's it. All right, so here's the update. Here's the updated people. This is like some shit you would see in Las Vegas. That's weird. Right, so I just had dinner at Cask and Kitchen. Anyway, it's like the restaurant at my hotel because the barbecue place that I was gonna go to was only like a mile away. And so I figured, no problem, I can walk a mile. Been walking all day, not a big deal. Then I realized I was walking through like questionable part of Dallas, I guess? I don't know. Pretty sure I saw a drug deal. So anyway, I go back and walk to the CVS. I had to walk to CVS. I had to get something at CVS. And walk to CVS, get what I need at CVS. You know, with all of the back and forth that I've done today,
I don't think that I have seen a barbecue place.
and I'm like, am I in Texas? Whatever. So I decided to just come back to here, the hotel, to get dinner, which is fine, whatever. But I just paid $47 for lettuce that I had to cut myself. and a piece of chicken that was like $12, like on top of my salad. Whatever. I ate, it's fine. I should have just gone to the place that I went for lunch, and then I could have gotten another salad just like that, and then I would have paid, I don't know, $15. I don't know that Dallas is my city. It's hot and muggy. Whatever. Good morning. It's like 6:15. I don't know. There was thundering and lightning this morning, so I got some really cool clips of that. I guess I'm not gonna walk to my conference. Yeah. Oh well. This is gonna be the fit. It's taken me some time just because I had to finagle the pants to get on my body, but also trying to decide what I'm gonna wear and decide if it's appropriate and whatever. But it's like still raining, so I think jeans are, I think they're okay. But since my surgery and like since all of my, not all of my swelling, but some of my swelling has gone down, I bought some pants from this boutique called Wild Oak Boutique. I have never in my life bought size 7 anything, and that's pretty good. I was size 7. So at my biggest, I was a size 16. So this is just like, this is crazy. But yeah, so here's the fit for today. Nothing crazy. Just plain white tee and some jeans. Probably wear my black Vans. So yeah, here we are. Did our makeup for the day. It's just like a, simple look. We got our e.l.f. blurring sunscreen on. So I won't be able to take you guys into the like conference rooms because it's like sensitive material and stuff. But I think it's gonna be a really good conference. So I'll probably bring you guys along after because I am hoping to go to a mall. They've got like a really big galleria here. So I'm hoping to maybe find some shoes or maybe some shirts. So I'm really excited. But yeah, make sure you guys like, make sure you guys subscribe, and comment a black heart emoji down below. Okay, so I had a full day of training at the conference. I'm just back at my hotel now. It's like 8 o'clock. Yeah, it's been a long day. A lot of really good classes that I went to. They did a case study at the very end that I went to on Jennifer Schuett, I think was her name. She was an 8-year-old who was kidnapped from her bedroom and then she was sexually assaulted. It was like worldwide news, but this happened in the 90s. And long story short, they ended up, it was a cold case, and they ended up getting a DNA hit on some evidence that they had from 1990, and they were able to find the person who committed this crime and like left her for dead. Like he cut her throat. It was horrific. Anyway, they were able to find a DNA hit on this person, this perpetrator, this suspect, because after he attacked her and left her to die, he ended up committing more sexual crimes and more sexual assault. And so his DNA was in a national database for any type of crime. So that's how they ended up finding him 20 years later. It was such a cool story to see and to listen to and to learn about, because I hadn't heard about any of this because I don't watch the news. But anyway, it was a long day. I hardly had any food because there's just so many people that are at this conference. I think there's like something over like 4,500 people. So there's just a ton of people, and everyone is like getting lunch at the same time. And granted, there's a bunch of places to get lunch and stuff, but I'm still healing. So I'm still trying to be conscious of like my sodium intake, and I'm trying to eat healthy, and I'm trying to eat high protein. All of my options were basically just not the best. So I didn't eat anything until dinner, which was eventful in and of itself. But needless to say, I have learned that traveling alone is not something that I'm good at, even though every trip that we go on, I'm the one who plans everything. But for some reason, I just can't handle it. Like, I cannot handle it on my own. So nothing crazy today. Maybe tomorrow I'll make it to the mall. I don't know. The trainings just go so late that it's just kind of like, by the time I get done, I'm starving and I just want to go find food, and then I just want to go back to the hotel and go to bed. But tomorrow's a new day, so hopefully tomorrow I will have the energy afterwards to go to the mall, because these conference rooms are freezing. They're freezing. I swear they're like 60 degrees. It's insane how cold they are. I'm in Dallas, so it's not like I brought a hoodie. Should have brought a hoodie. Oh well. All right, day 2. So this has been going on for like 10 minutes. It's 1:27 in the afternoon. I don't know why or what's going on. It's obviously a church, but it's been a beautiful day outside, so I've just taken all of my breaks outside because the conference rooms are freezing ass. But how cute is this church? So I got to the mall. Wasn't bad. It was like a 15-minute drive from my hotel. The mall's pretty nice. I went to North Park. I'm just waiting for my Lyft to pick me up now. But oh my gosh, I got a matcha. And the straw is in the shape of a heart. I am like dying. So cute. I went to Sephora, got some Touchland spray, hand spray. And then I also got some really cute lip stuff from Glossier for me and Haley. I'll have to show you guys when I get back to the hotel. It's really cute. It's got like a cute little charm on it and everything. So going back to the hotel. It's like 5:40. I already ate, got it out of the way because it was just a pain. It's been a pain since I've been here, but it's so cold. Everywhere that I go, it's so freaking cold that I'm like, I'd rather be outside. So we're gonna be waiting outside for our guide. Okay, so I went to, let me move a little closer. I guess the good part about Dallas is it has views that I appreciate. So I came back to the hotel and I basically just like showered and got ready for bed because I'm pretty much just exhausted. But I wanted to show you guys how cute this little thing is from Glossier. It's a cute little banana charm, and then it's got like a little Glossier thing and then a little star. And it's awesome because it's the banana pudding that is from Magnolia Bakery in New York. So it kind of was just like a meant to be thing for me because we all know I love New York. Today, the training was really good. Again, there was a couple more case studies, which were really interesting. The last one that I went to was, I guess the media like dubbed it the chicken coop case. So I can link everything down in the description about news articles and stuff about these cases that I've mentioned. There was, I'm trying to remember, there was another case that also made national news that I went to as well. That one was primarily assault stuff, so I won't really go into the details about that, but that one also made national news. It's been a really interesting conference. Tomorrow, I am trying to convince myself to go to the observation deck because I love them. I love going to those, even though I hate heights. I've hated heights my whole life. I love observation decks. I love doing them in New York. So I figured while I'm here, I might as well go to another one and experience it.
I was actually going to book a reservation, but their website said I couldn't because I was a party of one.
So that's cool. It's what it's like, I guess, traveling alone. I guess I can see when I get up there if I can eat up there. I don't know. I don't know what time I'm gonna go. I mean, sunset is like right now. So 8:30 would probably be the ideal time, but I don't know that I can wait that long to eat. I don't know that I want to wait that long to eat and then be driving back here to the hotel that late. Yeah, we'll see what tomorrow brings. Oh, it's also really cute on this clip. On the clip it says, "You look good." It's cute. I don't know if it focuses where you can actually read it. Anyway, just a little positive affirmation for yourself. So I never thought I'd spend $72 on 2 lip glosses, but you know, YOLO, whatever. So we will see you guys tomorrow in the morning. Good night. All right, good morning. Day 3, day 4, I don't know what we're at. But this morning I realized that my underwear were missing from my room. So it's been great. I am running a little bit late, but whatever, we're on our way. So today's Wednesday, so I leave tomorrow. I'm really excited to go back home. But I am going to the observation deck tonight at 7, so that should be good. But yeah, I feel good today, except for the fact that my underwear was stolen. So. All right, so it was a little sketched out coming up because the elevator is like facing the outside and it's glass, but 360 view, indoor and outdoor. So I just came outside. It's like 500 and something feet. She said it's the 15th tallest building in Dallas. And it's funny because it doesn't matter how many times I go in one of these, I still get like, ooh, I don't know about this. I don't know. But yeah, so here is the view. I learned that that's some like fancy bridge thing. It is nice. There's like no people here. It's definitely not New York. So I just ate at Terry Black's. That place was good. Easily the best $40 that I've spent since I've been here. And each dinner has been $40. So it was definitely worth it. So delicious. I got the brisket, I got the turkey, I got a jalapeno cheese sausage thing, I got mac and cheese, green beans, and cornbread. And I almost ate all of it. I didn't eat all the mac and cheese. That was okay. The green beans were fire. They were so good. So good. So now I'm just waiting for my lift.